Because right now, I go back to my baby father. I'm sorry. Anybody running there, no try back up because Kamik is coming back. I tell you no now. Anybody will cause they will know, no go, no lift the up. And if you don't want to lift up, I will away at them. I tell you no all we are got there together. Because I come back to my baby father. So this is a message, you know. But seriously, no. Any girl we're out there, we're there with Mr. Kim Marley, prayer father, Kamik is coming back, okay? So now lift the fuck up. Alright, I come to Jamaica next week and I come back from baby father. So I tell you fan now, on move up time. I never want him back, you know. But I still gonna think about it right now because him baptized and I feel like saying baptized me and him in take two live, one for me and one for him. So at my time now. So come out a prayer father and mother life. Alright. I'm not talking. I don't want nobody. I tell you for now. Any girl him there with, if you don't want to lift up, and the whole of we are there together. I tell you no. I'm here come with beer badness. Because he never tries, you know. He want me like how Jesus want little children, you know. I tell you no, it's like how God want people to put the heart and soul for them to baptize. I tell you no, me coming back from my little father. So no lift up. Because when me can do for him, you can do. And I have to come a foreign because I'm making that Jamaica and suffer. So me I come down, come married to cause, me no business up, you want to say in the comments. The people father have to come in the Uncle Sam country, come take piece of it. You understand? So me I tell you from now, look at ginger beer girl. Move. Pepper is coming, so you go on.